BSc third year students, um, we start the unit first, which is important articles, that is the monoculture. What is the important characteristics about the monoculture? Mono is nothing but the single cultured species. What is the important characteristics about the uh, its history of the monoculture? You know, that is the 300 BC established the monoculture. Monoculture start in India, that is in Bengal, Orissa, and other states. The monoculture find out the ICAR, means Indian Council of Agriculture and Research, refer to the monoculture. And near about the monoculture acquired the 2.6 million hectare water under the water fish farming. Yes, the experimental recording the yield of the monoculture near about the 9,000 kg per hectare per year in the fresh water. And monoculture the established near the rural areas. It is a very commercially important as well as economically important and food purposes. Yes, what is the important definition of the monoculture? Monoculture is nothing but single species cultured in certain uh, water body of the fish farming, that is known as monoculture. Monoculture is maybe as monoculture single species culture in water body, that is also maybe called monoculture. Monoculture is nothing but the cultivation of single species in a pond, that is called monoculture. Yes, which is the best example of monoculture? That is the tilapia, yes, common carp, and other carps also. These are the best example of the monoculture. What is meant by the monoculture? Monoculture or mono, I have given that is the monoculture definition. Monosex culture, sex is nothing but which may be that is the male or female species culture in the water bodies are cultivated in the water bodies, that is known as the monosex culture. Yes, which is the examples, that is the examples uh, which major carps or Indian major carps major cultivated in the nearly about which is labio, Rohita, Katla, Sirana Mrigal, Libio Riba, Libio Kalbasu, Libio Cyprinus Carpio. These are the best examples about the monoculture or monosex culture. Same, that is the exotic carp, grass carp, silver carp, yes, Cyprinus carpio, tilapia. These are the best examples about the monoculture. Yes, and other cultured species, that is the famous monoculture examples. Tilapia is the best examples. When male or female culture are individual are stocked together, and which is the fast growing growth, reproduction, and spawning. These are the advantages of monocultures. Yes, monosex culture is the famous species, that is the tilapia. Tilapia, why? Tilapia is the fast growing fish, fast growing and early attained the maturity stages. Yes, Monoculture, methods of monoculture. Here maybe that is the monoculture conduct. Monoculture conduct in the pen culture, yes, cage culture, and these species are stocked in the monoculture. Means single species cultured. That is the salmon species also, and tilapia. Tilapia, uh, it is a common scientific name Tilapia mozambica. Yes, and salmon is famous species. Pond culture. Next, pond culture and it. What is the constructions of the pond construct? The monoculture pond size 20 into 50, 40 into 60 feet can be constructed or embanked along with the ponds. Yes, and its depth 3.5 to 4.5 and surface to bottom. And liming of fertilization, the constructed and stocked in the these are the stock of the organic and inorganic fertilizers, and pond may be 2000 to 200 to 300 kg per hectare organic and inorganic supply in the pond. Artificially in the pond supply the cow dung, yes, cow dung 200 to 300 kg per hectare. These are mixed of the bottom maximum for the growth of phytoplanktons, yes, and development required for the Indian major crops or exotic crops. Artificially feeding is very important for the ponds. What is the artificial feeding? That is the kitchen waste materials, which it contain groundnut cake soaked in the water and other slurry supply soaked to take cereal provided to the large vessels and porous to the bottom of the bags, and some these are the materials used. It is useful for the predatory fishes and carnivorous fishes in the monoculture. Predatory fishes, that is the leguatu, channa, clarius batrachus, these are the predatory fishes, and that is a carnivorous fishes. You know, students, I have given information about the definition or history of monoculture. Yes, definition of monoculture, definition of monosex culture. Yes, types of monoculture, methods of monoculture, and food supply of the monoculture. Shortly, the the question may be asked in the examination. Are these types, that is the what is the advantages of the monoculture? Advantages of monoculture, mind well, it is a fast growing fish, fast grow the fish, does not waste its energy. Fishes fast attain the maturity, reproduction, and easily attain growth up to the marketable size. Yes, fishes attain good quality rate, good quality and quantity of the food taste. Yes, these are the and advantages of the best advantages of the monoculture. This is the farmers maximum requirement in the market of the monoculture fishes, and farmers get a high profit. What is the same disadvantages of monoculture? Disadvantages of monoculture, it is a potential space. Fishermen need investment with the different ponds. Average production of less maximum farming, yes, not required manpower of the monoculture. These are the basically disadvantages of monoculture. Yes, that is the information about the monoculture, and the question may be asked about in the question, which is the question, write short note on the monoculture other types, isn't it? When the question asked in the examination, at the type you write the information about the monoculture. Yes, okay. Same important topic, which is the uh, unit first, that is the polyculture. Polyculture is also known as the composite fish culture or mixed farming. Why these three name is different? Because poly means more than two species. Composite means not only one species, more than two species. That is a composite fish culture. Mixed, that is Indian major carps as well as exotic carp also mixed in the ponds. So given the name, that is the mixed fish farming. Students mind well, I have given polyculture, composite culture and mixed culture, a different name of these polyculture and its uh, characteristics also I have given. What is the simple definition required to the monoculture or define the monoculture? As well as polyculture. Polyculture is nothing but more than uh, more than more than two species or many species cultured in the pond or water body, that is known as polyculture. Polyculture, two or more species of the fishes cultivated together in the pond, that is known as the pond culture. म्हणजे एखाद्या पॉन्ड्समध्ये एकापेक्षा जास्त स्पेशीज किंवा दोनपेक्षा जास्त स्पेशीज जर कल्चर करत असतील एखाद्या पॉन्ड्समध्ये तळ्यामध्ये, तर त्याला म्हणायचं पॉलीकल्चर. पॉली मीन्स जास्त स्पेशीज फिशच्या कल्चर केले जातात, त्याला पॉलीकल्चर असं म्हटलं जातं. त्याचे एक्झाम्पल्स कोणते आहेत? इंडियन मेजर कार्प्स, कटला, रोहू, मृगल, एक्झॉटिक कार्प्स, ग्रास कार्प, सिल्वर कार्प आणि सिप्रिनस कार्पिओ. The combination that is known as the polyculture. I have given the polyculture and its diagrammatic representation in the polyculture. Yes, suppose in the pond, एखाद्या पॉन्ड्समध्ये किंवा एखाद्या तळ्यामध्ये तीन सरफेस असतात. सरफेस फिडर, कॉलम फिडर आणि बॉटम फिडर. त्या पद्धतीने तिथे काय वनस्पती पण वाढतात. कॉलम सरफेसमध्ये फायटोप्लॅन्क्टन्स असतात, काही सबमर्ज्ड असतात, कॉलमला असतात आणि काही बॉटमला असतात. त्याच पद्धतीने फिशेसचीही सरफेस फिडर, कॉलम फिडर आणि बॉटम फिडरमध्ये फिशेस आपलं जीवन वास्तव्य करतात. त्यालाच ते कोणते फिशेस आहेत? सरफेस इंडियन मेजर कार्प्समध्ये कोणते आहेत? कटला आहे. कॉलम फिडरमध्ये कोणता आहे? लेबिओ आहे. आणि बॉटममध्ये कोणता आहे? बॉटममध्ये मृगल आहे. हे झाले इंडियन मेजर कार्प्स. आणि एक्झॉटिक कार्प्समधले कोणते आहेत? विच इज ग्रास कार्प, कॉलमला सिल्वर कार्प आणि बॉटममध्ये सिप्रिनस कार्पिओ. हे पॉलीकल्चरमधले बेस्ट एक्झाम्पल्स हे पॉन्ड कल्चरमध्ये दिले जातात. Polyculture means all species cultured in the ponds, that is known as the polyculture. All species combination cultured in the pond, that is known as the polyculture. What is the ratio required in the polyculture? That is the 3:3:4. In this ratio means 3 species of Katla, 3 species of the Labio and 3 species of Mrigal. These types, that is combination. Indian carp. आता exotic carp, grass carp 3, silver carp 3 and Cyprinus carpio 4. That is the exotic carp. These types, that is the combination. And alternatively maybe also cultured in the ponds, that is known as the polyculture. Yes, polyculture a ratio 3:3:4, or it may be that is a 3:3:1 also, that is a ratio. Polyculture famous in India or mixed farming famous in the India, where six major states, which is the West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, and Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu. These are the famous state about the monoculture. पॉलिकल्चर. आपण पॉलिकल्चरमध्ये महाराष्ट्रामध्ये बरेच शेततळे घेतले जातात. त्या शेततळ्यामध्ये आपण मासे टाकतो. मासे टाकले जातात. कोणते कोणते टाकले जातात? हे मेजर कार्प्स टाकले जातात आणि एक्झॉटिक कार्प फिश टाकले जातात. हे सर्व एकत्र टाकले जातात. त्यालाच आपण शेततळ्यामध्ये पॉलिकल्चर असं नाव दिले आहे. म्हणून महाराष्ट्राचं नाव पॉलिकल्चरमध्ये भारतामध्ये महाराष्ट्राचं नाव आलेलं आहे पॉलिकल्चरसाठी. समजलं का? हे एक्सपेरिमेंटल स्टडीमध्ये हाय प्रोडक्शनसाठी सिद्ध झालेलं आहे आणि इंडियन मेजर कार्प्स आणि एक्झॉटिक कार्पचं प्रोडक्शन पण वाढलेलं आहे. आता एक्झॉटिक कार्प्स आणि इंडियन मेजर कार्प्स, these are the and some I have given that is the name of this species, but you must be no idea about the food. There are two types of food required to the pond in polyculture, that is natural food and some that is artificial food. Natural food, phytoplanktons, larvae, algae, yes, zooplanktons, crustaceans, larvae, eggs. These are the are natural foods. And artificial foods, that is the protein. It contain maximum 30 to 70% diet, and which was the kitchen waste materials, soaked cake, groundnut, cotton, soybean, safflower, sunflower, wheat, barn wheat, and rice barn. These are the etc. that is artificial food supplied to the polyculture. What is the management of polyculture? Management त्याला कसं केलं जातं? मॅनेजमेंट फूड टाकलं जातं, आर्टिफिशियली केलं जातं का नॅचरली केलं जातं? पॉन्ड, पॉलिकल्चरचा पॉन्ड्स हा उन्हाळ्यामध्ये नांगरला जातो, त्याला ऊन दिलं जातं. तर ऊन दिल्यामुळे त्या पॉन्ड्समधले जे काही ग्रोथ होणारे बॅक्टेरिया आहेत, ज्याच्यापासून फंगस डेव्हलप होतं, जसं प्रोटोझोन डिसीज आहेत, बॅक्टेरियल डिसीज आहेत, हेल्मिंट डिसीज, ह्या सर्व डिसीज डेड होतात. म्हणून हे पॉन्ड्स प्लगिंग केलं जातं. मॅनेजमेंट, दॅट इज द पॉन्ड प्लगिंग इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट अबाउट द मॅनेजमेंट. कंट्रोल दी अल्गल ब्लूम्स, जे अनवॉन्टेड अल्गी असते, जे त्यामुळे फिशला रेस्पिरेशन करता येत नाही, असे अल्गी तिथे कंट्रोल केली जाते. दॅट इज द व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. कंट्रोल टू algae or algal blooms. Yes, control the fish disease and give treatment. डिसीज ह्या कंट्रोल केले जातात. आणि आर्टिफिशियल फूड अँड फूड न्यूट्रिशन, these are the very important pond management characteristics. Yes, natural concentration of various chemicals, that is the required to the ponds in the polyculture, that is the sulfates 178 ppm, phosphates 25 to 50 ppm, yes, nitrates 30 to 45 ppm percentage per mole. ppm means total alkalinity 30 to 40 ppm, and total hardness also 20 to 116 ppm. These are the chemical. Pond construction, yes, pond size 50 meter into 20 meters of the ponds, and 1 to 2.3 foot depth of these ponds required. Control the aquatic insects, there is spawn, larvae, and fingerlings, and these are the control the aquatic insects. Yes, fish disease and treatment of control. Fish disease like the negative bacteria, Pseudomonas, pathogenic, some that is a fin rots, gill rots. These are the pathogenic to cause the majority found in the major carps. Yes, fish disease with the help of the some solutions. Control the with the help of solution that is copper sulfate, CvSO4, and formalin also. Yes, K-MnO4 solution control the fish disease, and to assess the growth of the um, fishes means that is a Ponderel index at these types means which is the weight, length, relationship of the fish found in the major carps, that is the Katla, Polu, and Mrigal also. At these types, that is information which is required to the polyculture. You must be no idea about the polyculture. Polyculture, what is the advantages of polyculture? माइंड वेल पॉलीकल्चरमधले ॲडव्हान्टेजेस काय काय आहेत तुम्हाला विद्यार्थ्यांना माहिती असले पाहिजेत. पॉली मीन्स जास्त, कल्चर म्हणजे एका पॉन्ड्समध्ये 2पेक्षा जास्त स्पेशीज कल्चर केले जातात, त्याला पॉलीकल्चर असं म्हणतात. म्हणजेच ह्या फिश पॉन्ड्समध्ये हायेस्ट काय प्रोडक्शन आहे. टू डेव्हलप लार्ज नंबर ऑफ स्पेशीज. येस, इट इज अ प्रॉफिटेबल. Next, it is a commercially and economically important. High yield. Yes, polyculture, high yield. It is famous in 6 states, as well as Maharashtra state also famous about the major carps and exotic carps. Polyculture, well balanced species are cultured and successful production. Polyculture, different species and different habit species cultured together get a maximum production or yield. Mixed farming means all the species successfully cultured at these types, that is the predatory fishes also some, and exotic carps and Indian major carps also. In polyculture, not only that is a major carps culture, but also it culture that is a prawn culture, mussel culture, that is also famous in polyculture. Exotic carps and its yield in polyculture 3000 kg per hectare per year, and indigenous that is a 4000 kg per hectare per year, that is the yield, and total yield near about 8000 kg per hectare per year of yield of these species. I have given information about the monoculture and its advantages. These types, what is the disadvantages? It is important characteristics. Disadvantages, काय disadvantages? डिसॲडव्हान्टेजेस हे आहेत की ह्या स्पेशीजमध्ये डिसीज फॉर्म्स होतात आणि प्रोडक्शन कमी होतं. इन दिस पॉलीकल्चर, that is the beneficial for the predatory fishes, particularly to cause the fish disease. Yes, one disadvantage. Second disadvantage is to cause the ranidity. Harvesting required long period. Fast to grow aquatic weeds. Aquatic weeds easily spread the infection in the species. Fast increasing the percentage of decomposed water to cause the carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and sulfate also. Regular marketing, do not get a regular marketing. Commercially and economically loss the polyculture. Yes, all the species tolerate each other in the ponds. Local market not required, or no value. Manpower, minimum manpower or labor required in the polyculture. These are the basic disadvantages of polyculture. Yes, now we stop here, students. If you have any difficulties, you ask me on the group. I will give the maximum MCQs on the monoculture and polyculture. Yes, okay, thank you.